Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to be making some Sazon pork chops in my air fryer. So let's get busy. Okay, I have 3 pork chops in this air fryer, and I'm getting ready to cook this. I'm gonna cook it for 25 minutes on the air fryer. And this is the seasoning that I used on the pork chops. If you haven't used this before, try it. It's a very delicious seasoning. It comes in this box here. Sometimes I put it in my cauliflower rice. It just makes it taste so much better. Okay, let me push the basket in and let's get started. Okay, got it set for 25 minutes and it's cooking now. I got the light on in the oven, you can see it there. Okay, I'll let you see it. What is it? I use 1 pack of this on the 3 pork chops that I placed in the oven. If you don't like pork chops, you can use it on any product you like, in hamburger meat, chicken, whatever, but it's a really great product. You have to try it. So here it is. After 25 minutes, this is what the pork chops look like. They look delicious. I know Bill is gonna really enjoy these. I want to mention to you that I did marinate the pork chops for like 2.5 hours. So if you can do it overnight, that's even better, but today I just did it for 2.5 hours. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family.